The Epson EcoTank ET-4850 printer stands out for its refillable ink tank system, which dramatically cuts down on waste and ongoing ink hassles compared with traditional cartridges. In everyday use, the generous ink capacity means you can print a very high volume of black and color pages before even thinking about a refill, making it well-suited for busy home offices and small work groups. Print quality is excellent for documents and reports, with crisp pigment black text and clean color graphics that look professional on ordinary office paper. The built-in flatbed scanner, copier, fax, and automatic document feeder turn it into a capable all-in-one hub that handles multi-page jobs without constant babysitting. Wireless and Ethernet connectivity, along with support for mobile and voice-controlled printing, make it easy for multiple people and devices to share the printer without fuss. Despite its compact footprint, the printer offers thoughtful touches like automatic two-sided printing and a roomy paper tray, which together help keep paper handling smooth and efficient.